Hi, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro biggest issue overexposure over color correction. My iPhone 12 footage look like that, but I am drag drop in Adobe Premiere Pro, and so again preview to see my footage preview is showing overexposure. See two difference look like this is my original footage and this is import of Adobe Premiere Pro. How to fix it? A simple process. Simply right click on your footage in project untitled, go to modify and interpret footage. In down menu in color management, select color space override and choose REC 2020 or REC 2020 cents or 709 any other. I am choose REC 2020 and hit OK. Now your footage is look like original color. Auto color correction, auto exposure, auto lumetri key, etc all disabled. I think this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Keep subscribe for more amazing videos.